Good day, I'm Andrea Chizom and this is your JIS News for Friday, February 5. Jamaicans can enjoy toll-free travel temporarily on the newly opened Angels to Linstead section of the North-South Highway starting Monday, February 8. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller symbolically commissioned the 16-kilometer stretch of highway into service on Thursday. Travel on the new road will remain free until sometime in March when the section from Mandela to Angels is opened.
We are building first world infrastructure and providing first world services for the Jamaican people.
In the meantime, persons traveling between Angels and Monique now have the option of avoiding the challenges associated with the Bugwalk Gorge.
Never again will flooding of the gorge be the cause of delays and danger for the traveling public. In a few weeks, when the other sections are formally open, travel time between Caymanas and Mammy Bay will be 45 minutes or less.
Over 600,000 students, teachers and other academic staff across the island participated in the Education Ministry's National Cleanup Day activities to destroy mosquito breeding sites. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites visited two of the participating corporate area schools this morning and urged the students and the staff to take care of their environment.
We want to banish the mosquito from Jamaica. This one they call Aedes aegypti. Don't worry about so much of the name. Just kill any mosquito come near you. And make sure that we avoid the breeding places, because if we get rid of the breeding places, which is stagnant water, which is garbage, gully, etc., then we are going to be able to get rid of the mosquito itself.
The Education Minister also told JIS News that school nurses and staff were prepared should a child show symptoms of ZV.
Teachers, school nurses, parents all have a good indication of when a child is getting sick. Don't delay, refer them to the primary health care center.
He said the distribution of mosquito repellent to schools had also started. The Electoral Office of Jamaica EOJ says it has identified all 63 nomination centers as the February 9 nomination day draws close. As is customary, nominations will take place between 10 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon, and this year's nomination form has been amended to treat with the matter of dual citizenship.
By declaring his or her eligibility, if it later turns out to be a false declaration, then the candidate is now guilty of making a false declaration.
In keeping with the law, the police, military and election day workers will go to the polls on February 22. Everyone else votes on February 25, and the Director of Elections, Orrit Fisher, says training is ongoing for the 20,000 election day workers needed to man the 7,039 polling stations. 1,000 schools will be used as polling stations, and the EOJ has asked the Education Ministry to have them closed at 12 noon the day before the elections to facilitate the cleaning and setting up of the stations. Companies who have staff that will be working as election day workers are being asked to give them time off to attend necessary meetings and to collect supplies. And for the first time, the EOJ will be collecting demographic data on voters this election day.
So for example, we will be able to take what percentage of voters are between a particular age or the sex and so on, the gender.
This information should be available within 2 to 3 weeks after the election. Ground has been broken for the construction of a state-of-the-art cancer treatment center at the St. Joseph Hospital. It is to be completed within the next 12 months. The center will be outfitted with linear accelerator LINAC machines, which are the most modern technology in radiotherapy treatment for cancer. Health Minister Horace Daly says the investment will enable Jamaicans from all walks of life, especially the poor, to access high-quality cancer treatment.
It is one of the largest investments in health. It's going to be a holistic center, total, complete cancer care center for the people of Jamaica.
The center is one of two being built at a cost of $14.5 million. The other, located at the Cornwall Regional Hospital, is set to be completed mid-year. The centers are being funded jointly by the National Health Fund, Chase Fund, and the Tourism Enhancement Fund. And finally, community cookshop operators recently benefited from training to help them meet quality standards and improve food preparation methods. The Scientific Research Council SRC recently hosted a free session at its Old Hope Road office where persons were trained in sauce creation. The SRC's executive director says the long-term goal is to provide other such interventions.
to ensure that persons fully understand the importance of science, technology, and innovation, how it can impact on their lives, and also to build their capacities so they can better utilize the information that they have, as well as to make our resources available to these persons to strengthen their operations.
And that's it for GIS News today. Amandra Chisholm, thank you for watching.